Given that x is not equal to 0, find the set of values of x for which 2 over x is less than 1. So let me just copy that down. I know some of you might be tempted to try and multiply both sides by x. We can't do that. We can't times both sides by x because x could be negative. And if x is negative, then we would have to flip the direction of the inequality. We don't know whether we have to do that or not. Therefore, we are not going to multiply both sides by x. What we'll do instead is we'll times both sides by x squared. If we times both sides by x squared, then that solves that problem that I've just said, because x squared is going to be positive no matter what. If x is negative, then x squared will be positive. If x is positive, then x squared will be positive. It is definitely going to be positive. So by timesing both sides by x squared, it means we don't have to worry about flipping the direction of the inequality. On the left-hand side now, the x squared is going to cancel this x out here, and we will just get x times 2. And then we've got 1 times x squared. Take the 2x away from both sides. We can now factorise the right-hand side. We can take x outside. And now I can draw a quick sketch of this quadratic inequality. The x here is telling me there's a root at 0. The x minus 2 here is telling me that there's a root at 2. So my inequality looks like this. I'm looking to find when my inequality is greater than 0. When this is greater than 0. Well, it's greater than 0 here and here. So all of the x values here are where x is greater than 2. And all of the x values here are where x is less than 0. So x has to be greater than 2, or x has to be less than 0.